Strength degreaser. Let's see how this works. Get some gloves on. Not so pro strength gloves. I'm just gonna try to degrease this thing. I don't know what someone did to this, but I don't know how this happened, but somebody. Look at this. Look at the damage on there. Somebody did something. I could, theoretically, just lop this off right here and then pop it off. Could just cut it there. I'll degrease it first. Degrease it a little. Pro strength, huh? Let the pros and the hoes do the pros. There we go. Let's see if we can de-pro grease it. Holy fuck. That's greasy. Extra pro strength, I think. Look at that. It's like gum on there. I should just cut it off in the bandsaw right there. This is scrap, so I should bandsaw it and just lop it off after. That's probably what I should do. Let's see. Right now, I thought the degreaser would work, but this is more like peanut butter. I'm sure people have seen worse. I'm just an amateur over here, so let's see. It should come off. Let me chop it off. Where's my bandsaw? Okay, hold on a second. I'm gonna chop this up. Inside of a fork. I'm going to cut this off. See this? That was all damaged. It was all bent. That's why I chopped it off. Now I'm going to chop it right here. So you can see it. Let's see. I'll do a little closer, but. So now I only have that much space to pop that out. Might just lop a little more off if I can. Let's see. Should do it. You know what? I'll do it from the other side, so I'll show you when I'm done. I did a little more surgery and got it a little bit closer, as close as I can. You see the little bearing race in the bottom there? That's what I want. So I'm going to see if I can chomp that out, and we'll show you what I'm doing in a minute. Alrighty, what I did is I basically lop that off. So if you want to see the cross section, how much meat is on here, it's pretty thick. As you can see, someone did a, I don't even know how the hell, like, did the wheel come off? Like, what did they do to this? Beat it with a sledgehammer? I don't know. This side too is completely kabooched. You can see where if you look inside, I always wonder how well they hold up on the inside. You can still see the seam weld is not even rusted on the inside, so I'm guessing this is probably, I don't know if it's sealed. No, it's not sealed, but there's not a lot of rust in it. You can't really see, but it looks that rusty, but here's what it is. I might actually lop this, cut this off and change on that one, because this piece right here is all messed up on the other one, so I might be able to make it look just like the original shitty welds. So anyway, I'll put this down here. Not that I'm any better welder, but this is trash now. And what I want to do is I want to get this off here. So I'm going to try to clean all the goo off of here. And if I can get this off, I'll have to order a bottom race. I'm sorry, but all balls, you guys never got back to me. I asked them why their little race wouldn't work, and nobody got back to me. So I was like, you know what? I'm not impressed. I'm going back to original. They were like, yeah, we'll check into it. We'll get back to you. We'll call you. Nope. So, there's a rubber seal on the bottom here. This is like peanut butter on here. Skippy peanut butter. It is so good to eat. I don't know if that's the original or what. Now, I wonder if we heat up the outside, if it'll pop off. I'll heat up the outside. I don't care if I burn the rubber on there. Burning rubber, burning rubber. Let's see, is this on? Okay, let's see. Am I running out of gas in this thing? Or I must have turned it off. Is it on? Off. That's off. Okay, it was on the whole time. Back there. See if we can pry this off. See if we can get it off here. Should come off. The gunky rubber part come off. Wait. Come on. There we go. We got that part off. Now, how now, brown cow? What are we gonna do here? Should I get a brass punch? See if I can knock it off here. Where's the hammer? I need a hammer. That one's got no handle. That's wrapped up there, and this sucks. Here's the hammer. Let's see. Yikes. Weird. Sure. I think we used a pickle fork last time to get it out. Or I could put a screwdriver in there. Try to pry it out. I had a bigger screwdriver. Where'd it go? I know I didn't put it away. There we go. What's this one I was using? Just try to give it a little tap. Did it move? No, there's a lot of shit on here. Crud Master 2000. Holy crap. It's like, let's clean this off. I don't want to use a new rag just for this. So I'll clean this off some more. Let's see if I can get this. I don't think it's rusted on there. It's just, let's see. You can see the juices flowing between it, but let's go like this now. Pop off. Let's get the pickle fork. Let's get the pickle. Where is it here? I put it back. I put a pickle fork in there. Stay tuned. I don't know if I recorded all that. No, I think I stopped. Anyway, I took this off in case my camera screwed up. I basically took this, and I jammed the pickle fork right in here. No, not that one. Took one of these pickle forks and jammed it right in here. And with a hammer and heated it up and brute forced this thing off. It's the bottom race. So yeah, makes a nice Honda wedding ring. So anyway, I cleaned it off with some rather stinky parts cleaner. I was doing. I thought I had a recording, but I guess not. So I guess it wasn't recording. It only it torched the seal, which I haven't known. And the only damage I did was a little tiny nick right here. So sorry if I missed the footage. So I'll show you the aftermath. I'll show you before and after in a minute. Hold on. Anyway, this is I just put on the buffer, cleaned it off. You'll see it's got a bit of a red tinge in it. I don't know if you can see it. I'll try my light here. I don't know if you can see that a little better. A little bit of red on it, so I know which one it is. It's not rust or anything. This is the new one. I'm going to cut it open and show you. This is the... If I can find a knife without stabbing myself here. Where's my knife? I always leave a knife on here. No, I can't find it. There we go, just like this. I'll work here. Show I have one in my pocket. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. Genuine Honda parts. So we got an old part and a new part. This is the new one that I ordered. This is the old one. As you can see, this one is really nice, and this one's just as good. This one has a little bit of, I think it's just polish in it. Let me see. Let me check here. A little bit of polish on the race. Yeah, just this one's a little. I mean, I don't think it's worn out. It's smooth. This one has definitely been machined. It is exactly the same size. So yeah, this is I think they're like 20 bucks or something. So got a good one. It is one. Now all I got to do is I'll show you another one. Here's my other one. If I can figure out how to get that one off, even better. This one I think is a little pitted, maybe. Yeah, this is probably buff it out. But I don't know if they make the bottom seal. I don't know if they make another one. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. But this basically just slides right on here. Gets right about there and it gets tough. I don't know if it'll come out. I'm not taking it off tonight, but I do know I'd like to clean this up. I think the bolt's finished. The other side, the bolts. Both bolts are wrecked, but since I have an alternate piece here, I could lop this off and weld it back on. So that is an option. Anyway, that's what I did. It is what I did. So I got that. Let me turn this off. Got this and this done. I got to see if I can polish this out because this is the inner race. I have, what do you call it? It was powder coated, so I got two options. I can put it on my lathe and just junk it out, or I can possibly Scotch-Brite it until it's smooth. I don't know. It's a little. They're 20 bucks. I mean, should I save it or should I not? But basically, this is on the bike, and this one goes there, and the bearings are basically squished in between here like that. You put the goop on there, put it on there, and the bearings just spins like that on it. Or rolls on the bearings. So that little thing. This, I think they do make another seal like this, even though I burnt this one. It's toast. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like I said, as I start doing a few more things, I'll be doing actual little work on things. This is just, I'm just waiting for that piece to come back to put this all back together. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Toodles.